Look at this. This is what an orange tree looks like. Look at this. People are really active here in Torreon. Like there's like literally a marathon every week. A lot of people are outside, even though it's really cold. Buenos dias. That is a sign that Torreon has a good community life. Good morning, buenos dias from the streets of Torreon. I'm back in the beautiful city, and today I'm going for a walk in this park over here. And I wanted to talk about this misconception about Mexico being a tropical island or a tropical country, because right now it's really cold. It's cold here. You know, let me show you the temperature right now. Okay, let's see where we're at right now. It's like 4 degrees right now, but just like 15-20 minutes ago it was like 2 degrees Celsius. So in the morning it gets really cold here. It was like at 1 degree Celsius, and me personally, someone from Canada, I love it here. So I wanted to walk around and see, are people actually outside at this hour? And are people appropriately dressed for this type of weather? And see if people enjoy living here and during the winter times or not. So yeah, so we're walking right now in this park. Buenos dias, amigo. Yes. So we're walking right now in this park and see what's going on here. All right. Buenos dias. Yeah. See, people are wearing hoodies right now, and I still see a lot of people here actually. A lot of people outside, they're walking. And for someone like me, I absolutely love this weather. 4 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, like that's like the sweet spot for people from Canada. But over here it's probably the coldest people. Yeah, look, it's almost like sunrise hour. Sun's coming out. Look at it, it's pretty nice here, eh? Really nice and quiet, you know. I really like to come outside in the mornings and go for a walk, go for a run. Today I'm filming, that's why I decided to walk. But most of the days I like to run in the mornings. And yeah, it's really nice. They have a lot of birds here, and you know, there's a lot of trees. Probably this is probably the most trees that you will see here in Torreon. See?
Y Dora también.
Right now my hands are cold. I have my water with me. You know, I almost feel like I'm in Canada right now. Like one of the Canadian mornings, you know. And like I'm wearing a jacket, but I'm also wearing like 2 layers because I did not bring any jackets with me when I came here from Canada. Because I also had that misconception in my mind that, you know, it doesn't get that cold here, but it does actually. You know, it is actually cold, and it's nice, you know, because right now it's cold, and then in the afternoon it's gonna be like 20 degrees and 25 degrees. So you know, it's nice to experience both. You see these trees here? right behind me in these trees, they have parrots sometime, and I've seen them. They live up there, and I'm hoping that one day I can take a picture of them, show it to you guys. But I really wish I had this long lens that I use. You know, it's a telescopic lens that I did not bring with me. My brother took it from me. If he didn't take it from me, you know, I would have taken a nice picture of these birds. Oh, look. Trees are about to get some water right now. Look. Look at this person. Look, he's already starting up his business. Over here they sell drinks. Buenos días. Yeah, they sell like, you know, smoothies, drinks, and things like that over there. And look at this. Yeah, oh, nice little park for kids. Rides here. Yeah, you know, a lot of people are outside right now, you know, and they are all appropriately dressed for this weather, and people are running as well. So that is really cool. You know, the grind never stops. You know, doesn't matter rain or shine. All these guys are out, they're exercising, you know, they're enjoying their time. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Okay, it's water time. You know, there's something I need to show you guys. You probably haven't seen it. Look at this. This is what an orange tree looks like. Look at this. Look at the oranges here. Wow. Look at this. The oranges here. Wow. Nice. Have you seen an orange tree before? You know, this is something that you get to see here. You get to see an orange tree. Really nice. This is one of the entrances here at this park. What is this? Yes. Look at this, they have a lot of like races. You know, people are really active here in Torreon. Like there's like literally a marathon every week. I always see like there's a new event that's happening here, new marathon, and one of these days I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna run my marathon here. Especially before I leave, 100% I'm running a marathon. Probably, look at this. If you wanna run a 21K, you have to pay 500 pesos, I think. That's how much you pay. 5K you pay 290 for like small distance. Actually, this looks like it's for kids. Nice. Let's see when it's happening. When? Well, there's no date, but you know, I'll be interested. There's another one actually. Always for the 5th of February. Look at this. There's another one on 5th of February. Yeah, you see, that's what I love about this, you know, city. Like, there's always an event going on, you know, like a running event. People are really into running and, you know, being physically active. It's really nice. You know, that's why a lot of people are outside, even though it's really cold. You know, it's not cold for me as much as it is cold for these guys over here, because, you know, this is like the extreme winter for them. You know, it goes up to like 1 degree, 2 degrees. You know, that's cold. But in Canada, for us, it goes up to like -15, -20. You know, we're okay with that. You know, for us, 1 degree is like a sweet spot. You know, we like it. You know, the other day I was talking to my family. You know, they were saying, oh, today is a nice day. It's like 2 degrees outside, 3 degrees outside back in Canada. And I was telling them, you know what, over here, that's considered cold. That's like at the peak 2 degrees, you know, but over here it's nice, you know. Buenos dias. And this is why, you know, people are unstoppable over here. Doesn't matter, you see the strongest people outside right now. Wow, look at this. There's so many pigeons here. Like, you have to be careful when you're walking here, because they'll shit on you if they get a chance. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Really nice. One of the things that I always do, you know, I try to say good morning to as many people as I can, you know, when they're walking, you know, just with a smile. You say good morning, you know. That's how you also transfer the good energy. What is this? Just like that, you know? Good, with a smile, good energy, you know, you say good morning to people. A lot of birds here. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch all the sound, but you know, the birds, the pigeons are making a lot of sound. Look at my hand, they're turning red. You know, it depends on your body type, because some people, they get cold easily, you know. But some people, their body's warm, and me, like, my body's warm. But if your body gets cold easily, you know, you should wear gloves and things like that. You know, look at people here. They're running. You know, they're not feeling that cold, I'm sure, but they're wearing gloves. And I think when we started this video, it was dark. Look, now the sun's out, you know, it's morning now. It's beautiful. Love it. Let's see what's the temperature right now. All right, let's find out. Okay, here's my phone. Okay, it's still 4 degrees Celsius. It's 4 degrees Celsius still. You know. And yeah, look, it's 4. Then later, it's gonna go up to like 19 degrees today. Yeah. But usually this is what the weather is like. You know, in the morning it's like 18 or 25, 29 degrees, and then in the evenings or in the early mornings it's like 1 degree, 6 degree, 8 degrees. And so, you know, that's the beautiful thing. You see that? That's the beautiful thing. You get to experience both over here. You know, you get to experience the cold, but then there's also, like, you know, a little bit warmer in the afternoon. So it goes up to like 29 degrees. You saw that in some days, and you know, it's really nice. You get to experience both. Yeah. Buenos días. Yeah, literally I'm going in a circle because this is like a track where everybody runs and walks, and I absolutely love this park, you know. And one day I'm gonna take you guys deep into this park and show you, you know, what else they have here in this park. Yeah, it's kind of nice here. Yeah. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
See some people dancing there. Let's go find out. There we go. We're going deep into the park, actually, just a little bit, not too much. And we're gonna see there's a class going on right now, a dancing class. Nice. This park is amazing because they also have an amusement park here, and obviously it's too early, it's not open right now, but it's really nice. Oh, they stopped dancing as it got closer. Oh, actually it's just a change of song. Oh, nice, look. What is this? What is this? Look at this. Everybody's dancing here. It's really nice. People are enjoying their time here. And if you look at them, like most of the people, they're old, and that's nice that they have a good community and they have a bunch of people that want to get together and exercise. You know, I think that is a sign that Torreon has a good community life for people, especially for older folks. You know, that they have other people that they can get together with, have fun with. And look at these, they have a lot of palm trees over here. It's really refreshing, to be honest, you know. And every time I come here, you know, I'm just like fresh and I have good energy and I'm ready to do more things throughout the day. Yeah, I just wanted to create this video, you know, just talking about that, you know, Mexico is not just a tropical country, you know. Mexico is pretty diverse, you know. There are mountains, there are deep canyons, there are rainforests, there is the beach, in the coastal areas, there is the sea. And right now we are in the center of Mexico, and it's highlands, and we are literally 1,124 meters above sea level, and it gets cold here. And well, that's all I guess for this video. Just wanted to show you a little bit of this park, show you how people are dressed up or what people do. As you saw, like, people are walking, people are running, and people are even having a little dance class in the morning. So this is Mexico. This is my Mexico, the Mexico that I am experiencing, and I'm absolutely enjoying here. But this park is beautiful. It's called Bosque Carranza. If you're here in Torreon, you should definitely visit this spot. It's really nice. I will actually create a detailed video on the weekend because there's so many activities that happen here on the weekend, and I will document it and I will show it to you guys how amazing this park is. Okay, I guess that's all for this video. It was very nice to take you for a walk, and if you guys like these type of videos where it's like nice, relaxed walking, talking about the place where we're at, let me know. We can do more videos like this, go on more walks. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because we're gonna go on more adventures. And let me know if you have any ideas of what you want to see or what you want to know about Mexico. I'm here, let me know. And see, I just saw a bird shit, so you have to watch out with these birds, because you know they will shit on you when they get a chance. All right, I'm gonna end the video now, but I will see you in the next video. God's energy.